The Tesla Model Y. It's one of the best-selling electric vehicles on the planet, a symbol of innovation and speed. But beneath the hype, there's an ugly truth. If you're considering buying a Model Y in 2025, you need to hear this. We've compiled 5 critical reasons why it might not be the right EV for you, based on thousands of owner experiences and expert reviews. Now, let's be clear, the Model Y has incredible strengths, and for many, it's a fantastic car. But a smart buyer looks at the full picture. Our goal here is to give you the unvarnished truth, not just the marketing spin. Reason number 1, the build quality lottery. This is perhaps the most persistent and well-documented complaint about Tesla vehicles, including the Model Y. Owners frequently report issues like misaligned body panels, inconsistent paint quality with drips or swirls, and trim pieces that aren't properly secured. It's not uncommon for new owners to find small interior rattles or exterior imperfections right off the lot. While some might call these minor cosmetic flaws, they are significant on a premium-priced vehicle. The problem isn't that every Tesla has these issues, it's that there's a higher chance you might get one that does, making it a frustrating gamble. Reason number 2, the ride quality and cabin comfort. For an EV designed for long-distance travel, the Model Y's ride can be surprisingly harsh and unrefined. Its stiff suspension, while contributing to its agile handling, transmits a lot of road imperfections directly into the cabin. This can make daily commutes or longer road trips less comfortable, especially compared to rivals like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 or Ford Mustang Mach-E, which prioritize a smoother ride. Compounding this is the noticeable road and wind noise at highway speeds. Without a gasoline engine to mask external sounds, every bit of tire hum and wind rush becomes more apparent. Many owners opt for aftermarket sound deadening, which shouldn't be necessary on a vehicle in this price range. Reason number 3, the polarizing interior design and user experience. Tesla is known for its minimalist cabins, but for many, it crosses the line into Spartan. Almost every function, from adjusting mirrors to opening the glove box, is controlled through the single central touchscreen. While impressive initially, this can be distracting and frustrating, forcing you to take your eyes off the road for simple tasks that traditional buttons or stalks would handle intuitively. Even basic controls like turn signals and gear selection have moved to haptic buttons on the steering wheel or a screen swipe in the latest Model 3, which many drivers find counterintuitive and less safe. The lack of an instrument cluster directly in front of the driver is also a major point of contention for those who prefer traditional driving ergonomics. Reason number 4, the Tesla service experience can be a mixed bag, and repairs can be costly. With a direct-to-consumer sales model, Tesla's service network is often smaller and less accessible than traditional dealerships. Owners frequently report long wait times for service appointments, especially for body repairs, and difficulty getting clear communication on repair timelines. Furthermore, the specialized nature of Tesla components and repair procedures often means higher costs. Even minor accidents can result in unexpectedly large repair bills due to the integrated structure and complex electronics, sometimes leading to vehicles being totaled for seemingly minor damage. Reason number 5, the evolving charging landscape. While Tesla's supercharger network is still the gold standard, the future is getting complicated, and it might not always be the clear advantage it once was. With almost every major automaker now adopting Tesla's NACS, North American Charging Standard, connector for their future EVs, the supercharger network will soon be open to a huge influx of non-Tesla vehicles. While this is great for the EV ecosystem, it means superchargers, once a Tesla-exclusive perk, could become more crowded, leading to longer wait times and less guaranteed availability for Tesla owners. The exclusivity benefit is rapidly fading. Additionally, if you own an older Model Y that still relies on the proprietary Tesla charger at home, and decide to switch to a non-Tesla EV in the future, you'll need new charging hardware. This shifting landscape adds a layer of uncertainty for long-term ownership. Now, to be balanced, the Model Y still excels in many areas. Its blistering performance, impressive range, and over-the-air updates keep it competitive. The supercharger network, despite future crowding, is still phenomenal today. For those who value raw performance, cutting-edge tech, and a strong brand identity above all else, the Model Y remains a compelling choice. So, should you not buy a Tesla Model Y in 2025? It depends on your priorities. If you value a plush ride, impeccable build quality, and intuitive physical controls, you might find more satisfaction with rivals like the Hyundai Ioniq 5, Ford Mustang Mach-E, or even the upcoming Chevy Equinox EV. But if you prioritize raw speed, cutting-edge software, and a unique driving experience above all else, and are willing to overlook its quirks, the Model Y might still be for you. Just go in with your eyes wide open. What are your thoughts? Are these Model Y issues deal breakers, or is it still the best EV you can buy? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see how these issues compare to the new Hyundai Ioniq 5 or the Ford Mustang Mach-E, make sure you're subscribed for our next Ultimate EV comparison.